In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. If you've accidentally deleted an important message, don't panic. Gmail keeps deleted emails in a special folder for a limited time, and you can bring them back to your inbox in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process, explain what to look out for, and share a few quick tips so you don't miss anything. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Google account as you normally would. Before moving on, make sure you're in the right mailbox, especially if you use multiple accounts. You can confirm by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, we're heading to the trash, sometimes called bin, depending on your region. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your labels like inbox and sent. If you don't see trash right away, click the option labeled more to expand the list. Scroll down and click trash or bin. This is where Gmail stores messages you've deleted. Now, let's find the email you want to restore. You can scroll through the list if you know roughly when you deleted it, or use the search bar at the top to be more precise. Try keywords from the subject line, the sender's address, or unique phrases from the message. If you want to be extra specific, include the words in quotes to match an exact phrase. Adding the filter in trash can also help the search focus specifically on deleted messages. Take a moment to scan the results so you don't miss the right conversation. Once you've found the email, select it by clicking the checkbox next to the message. To restore it, click Move to Inbox. You might see this as an icon that looks like a folder with an arrow, or you can use the Move to menu and choose Inbox. You can select multiple messages at once if you have more than one to recover. That's it. Your email is now back in your inbox. If you switch over to the inbox view, you should see it reappear with the original subject and sender details, just like before it was deleted. Any labels that were applied to the conversation will typically remain, so you can organize it as needed. A crucial note before we wrap up: emails remain in trash for 30 days only. After 30 days, Gmail automatically and permanently deletes them, and they can't be restored from your account. If you don't see the message in trash, it may have already been permanently removed. And that's how to recover deleted emails in Gmail: quick, simple, and reliable as long as you're within that 30-day window.